Model, 65-plate Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, 2.2 TDCI needs turbo replacing very clean grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 161551. MOT, 9 February 2024. Engine, 2198 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is 100% just a nice simple turbo replacement. Job gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect, no warning lights on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.